everybody. Yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield. But you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. Yeah, thanks for tuning in to the old channel. Just a bit of a catch-up and one or two bits and pieces. I've just got this microphone I want to test, so that was one job. So while I'm doing this, I'm testing that. So I might be doing this all for nothing. I might have to go back and do it again. Yeah, so basically I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm over 500 subscribers now, and I never thought that'd happen. I really didn't. Yeah, I mean, this there's several types of channel on YouTube on the motorbike genre. There's ones like me, an old man with a camera doing the best he can on a wing and a prayer, running it on a shoestring. There's professionals, isn't there? There's like the Missenden Flyer, and they throw thousands at their channel. I mean, blokes like him, he's got all them bikes in that garage and all the fancy tackle, and he really is a professional guy. Yeah. There's clickbait types like Bingley Wheeler. Don't get me wrong, I love Bingley Wheeler, but yeah, he's riding motorbikes and he loves his motorbikes, but it's all political stuff he does, isn't he? And I don't do that sort of stuff. No, we don't want to be upsetting anybody. No, I have put a couple of videos out that were a little bit controversial, and one of them, the views it got they've gone astronomical. Well, for me, 10,000 views on one video, and that was on the theme of speed cameras. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just an old man with a camera. I do like those. I love Missenden Flyer and I love Bingley Wheeler. I do watch him, but I also watch blokes like me, like Two-Wheeled Willie. I love Two-Wheeled Willie. Yeah, he sits in his garage and does a video like this, and when he goes out, he has a ride out to churches and things, doesn't he? I don't know if you've seen him, but he's a nice fella, and he's got me on to another guy. Yeah, a Scottish fella. I can't remember the name, but I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah, and he's a nice fella up in Scotland. But anyway, I got mentioned on another channel the other day by another YouTuber, and I want to give this lad a leg up if I can. He's not been going long, and he's got 400 subscribers now, and he's climbing, and I think he's going to be yeah, very popular. And his name is Danish. He's a bloke called Danish, and his channel is Throttle Therapy. So give him a look, and his style is very different, so just watch a couple of his videos to get into his style. But honestly, he's very professional the way he does it, and artistic, very artistic. He's way above my level. Yeah, he's only a young chap. I think he's an ex-military man, because he talks about he's going on a trip to Wales with his ex-military buddies. Yeah, so give him a look. Throttle Therapy. Good luck, Danish. Yeah, and good luck, Royal Enfield. I don't know if you've noticed it, but are Royal Enfield losing it? Yeah, they're taking their eye off the ball a bit. At one time it was, are these Chinese bikes any good? What if they break down? But doesn't seem to be bothering anybody now. They are selling in their thousands. And talking of Bingley Wheeler, I watched him the other week, and he's gone out and bought one, hasn't he? Yeah, it's a QJ motor SRT 650, right? So why has he bought this? He had Royal Enfields and a BSA and what have you, and now he's gone and bought this QJ motor SRT, and it's an adventure bike, but it comes at around about £6,000. And wait for it, yeah, it's got heated grips, heated seat, full set of racks, full set of luggage, all set up. By Royal Enfield, you've got to go out, start fiddling about putting the grips on, haven't you? Heated seat, how do you do that? Eh? Go out and buy a full set of racks. Don't talk to me about Royal Enfield racks. I bought some for me 411. I'd got ratchet straps on it and everything, trying to line the bolt holes up. And before you say yes, leave everything loose till you tighten it, till you've got them all in. I know all that. I've done mechanicking, believe me, and engineering. Yeah, boy, what a performance. Yeah, so watch out, Royal Enfield. They're after you. And if anybody's watching this and they're old enough to remember, you remember the old Ford Escorts? They left you a little slot, didn't they, in the dashboard? Very convenient. You could put a radio in there, then you could go out and drill a hole in your wing, couldn't you, and put an aerial in there. So you got a radio and an aerial, yeah, and then along come Nissan Cherry. Radios are already fitted, eh? Game over, wasn't it? Yeah, game over. Yeah, and now it's the standard, isn't it? You don't fit all these extras, do you? They come, and so they should. This day and age, they should come with it all on, or as an option, pay extra for it. But they should be on, shouldn't they? Really? In this country, you want heated grips. I don't know about. I've never had an heated seat, but it sounds nice. Right. What other news? Yes, I have. I've mounted a camera on the front, and I'm still not 100% convinced about this. But I'll turn my camera around and show you what I did. Right. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but what I did, I put a GoPro mount there, and then I can slot this camera mount in there, and I've got a camera mounted to my screen for the backwards shots. But it does make for a lot of editing, this does, a lot of editing. Yeah, which I don't mind, I enjoy the editing, but it's another job, isn't it? Yeah, it's another job. Right, let's get back to where I was. Where was it? Right, get back here. And relax, eh? How's that? Can you see me? Yeah, so now then, what else? Oh dear, my mate's been poorly. He has been very poorly. Yes, he's not been good. I'm not going to say what it was. I don't know if he'd like me to tell you. And I don't like breaking people's confidences. So yes, anyway, it's not the end of it's not the end of the world. He's not going to click his clogs, but he has been very poorly. But he's getting better. He's taking the tablets and he's getting better. So hopefully in a bit you'll see him reappearing on the videos. Yeah. At the time when this is filmed, he is still off the road and he's still poorly. But yeah, get well soon, pal. Yeah, we miss you. So I've still been getting out and doing 1 or 2 films, and I like to get in front a bit, and then I've got a bit of leeway, for if I go away for a week's holiday or anything. Yeah, so that about wraps it up, really. So, well, I love my YouTube channel, and I love everybody that interacts. I try to get back to everybody that messages me, but I'm a very busy man. And I try and do it on the computer, because fiddling about on the phone, yeah, I'd sooner do the typing on the keyboard. So sometimes there's a bit of a delay. Any channels that I subscribe to, if you think, well, Kev's not commented, it's because I've not been near my computer. That's what it is. Yeah, so I do apologise for that. But that's it, folks. So look out for the next video. I try to put them out at 8 o'clock on a Thursday morning. I think is it next Thursday or the one after? I've got one out on a Friday as well. Yes. So until the next time, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye now. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.